Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now you've heard me say it many times. Jailhouse a puppy show thing, right? It look like say even the man them there behind bars, them can do anything them feel like, right? They can make them call, and can put out them hit, right? Them just like them dar road, especially the man them who run off era, the so-called dance. But of course, it's one thing for hear me say that, but then if you see a video or if you see some pictures, it's a complete different thing. That right there is 10,000 words, and it drives home the point more effectively than anything we can say. People, please look at your screen right now. How much I wanna make it to this party? Wanna recognize the party at a big dancer? Oh, that's right, a lot of you couldn't go. Well, 99% of you couldn't go, because we know people that are jail listen. Right, 99% of only couldn't go. You know why? Because check out the location. At D0, cell 10. The man them that prison a plan big dance. Them even have them on a flyer. Now you see why this phone thing a joke. Look on the flyer, people. Make you read it. It's here when Townsend and the team presents Legacy. Now what that? Now 2 buckle of Ace of Spades, Mercedes-Benz S-Class and a mansion at the back. Things are going. Things are going. This is a Jamaican jailhouse in 2020. A complete farce. The man them have them own a flyer. Them own a flyer. This is how you know them don't take the justice system seriously. When you go print your own a flyer and send it round, that's when you know a complete joke thing. But without further ado, let me actually show you a video clip that's coming directly from prison. Now, I don't know if this party or this gathering is the one where you see on the flyer. I don't know, right? But this is definitely coming from out of Jamaican jailhouse. Let's see how the man them a cope, right? Because we have to use the word cope because people make it sound like say when they got jail, you're going to be going through all this and going through all that. Make it so what going on. Alright, obviously what going on right now, alright. And man them well dressed up, right? All white, chain on the neck, what that? Alright, yeah, what that man a build him spliff? Right? Yeah, man. See the man lock off the ends right there, so right. People take notice of the man a build him spliff, Alright, miss a couple Air Force One and a couple Nike sneakers. Alright, yeah man, see there. Alright, see our next bossy boy come now. I wonder which party man go. I wonder if I stole no anniversary or a bossy choose that. But no man, he must have go somewhere. I can't jail him money at this up. Right, the jail party most nice. Most nice, cause a whole heap of effort this for setting up in a jail it be a man. Right, so for jail look like jail dance nicer than street dance. Right, but at least they can keep dance at jail, not now go on in the street right now.
Oh boy. Here we go again. BODMYNE. Bad mind. That's all it come down to. That's all it come down to. You bad mind the man them, cause the man them that jail better than you. So what? See, true the man them can afford them Air Force One and them Nike sneakers and them Nike t-shirt and building spliff. True you can't afford it, right? You that road a bad mind prisoner, and this it come to. So not only do you wake up every single day, make up things to get views, bad mind artist, bad mind scammer, but now you're even a bad mind prisoners? I mean, what's next? What's next? Where you go to? Bad mind, the dog them, the man they go be animal even, for them dog food. Is there any level you're not willing to sing to? People maybe gonna please stop listening to Sir P. Just please stop listening to Sir P.
Well, I don't know about no man, right? But I'm sure enough of the man them that the PIA would agree with me. Me will wear the most tear up clothes and the most tear up shoes and the most tear up hat as long as me there road and me have access to a woman. Worse like how winter time I come and the place I get so cold. Listen, you can't keep all the dearest clothes and the dearest shoes and the most jewelry and sit down in a jailhouse and dress up. Good luck. Me don't know who in their right mind could have envy man with a prison. But let me explain something to the people. If you think man in Jamaica go prison, especially the man with money and links, right? You talk about your premium 87 and your 90. If you think them that jail, they on any kind of suffering, and boy, they can't manage it, if they go marry with them, never ever do it again. That's not true. That's why as they meet to get Lego, them go right back to 87 lifestyle. They do not fear jail. The only 87 them fear jail are the one them never go yet. You see when them go? and get a sample, and then come out, then go right back to doing what they used to do. They're not afraid of jail. Why would they? Does that look like somewhere you should be afraid of? Does that look like somewhere you think to yourself, boy, I mean, never ever want to go at this again? No. Look like they're having a jolly good time to me. When you want to know what is jail? Go and check out my Delroy Uzi Edwards video. Remember the letter of Delroy Uzi, right? You hear what the man say? Him reach a point in his life where him just willing to talk to anybody. Anybody. Man, woman, straight, sprat, anybody. Delroy Uzi Edwards. That a jail. Where him there? That is jail. Jailhouse, where you see them man in, that's a holiday camp. That's a holiday camp. Man then get together, have them little fun. Some of them, when them bus trial and touch back a road, play a thing. I don't know what people expect. What you think, man if, remember now, what you think him a record on him phone? The man a record on his phone. Next man in the corner, I believe him spliff. If it wasn't for the bars, only that swear say it's a street corner. Only with that swear say it's a street corner. So when people talk about jail, like say, boy, can't once in Japan jail it done for no. No. Sorry. This video is showing you what jail really is. Especially if you have money. Now, here's the thing. The one them are really broke on Anno links, them struggle at jail, yes. Them struggle at jail because them not talk and they might not even get a notice not the same video, yeah? You notice that only some of the man them dress up. Only some of the man, enough of the man them wasting in the video, enough of them run off place, enough of them man like, down pan street corner and them thing there. But you notice you have some man who run their back and can't even take part in the festivities. Cause the man on the body. And everybody have to talk at jail. But if you have money, trust me, if you have links, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. And the man them, some of the man them, what you think they can dress up so? Because them still are running extortion racket. Them family still are road. But collect money from residents and I send go give them and I send this go give them and I buy shoes and buy clothes and go give them. This is the realities of a Jamaican jailhouse. I'm glad the video come out. Because sometimes when I see video and people say, oh, look at the conditions, how can these men are being broken? No, they're not. Does that look like a group of men who are at wit's end? Does that look like a group of men who tell us, say, boy, if they ever come on road, them not going nowhere near going again? Is that the impression you get from this video? No. Just like with the SOE video I did yesterday. As the man them touch the road, them go right back to doing what they used to. But I have to admit, me the things that the whole phone thing at jail was, certain hours when the place get dark, then you sneak out your phone and you take. This is broad daylight. So, I don't know. I mean, as for the people who are supposed to be watching them and supervising them, at this point I'm completely lost. I would love to know if this is a normal thing or it's a case where maybe one day out the week, for 1 or 2 hours, the warder them say, you know what, only can group up and do what I do and keep on the party. I would love to know it work, right? I would love if somebody could educate me, right? Because based on this little clip, and it is a small clip, it look like they're having a jolly good time in there and it look like the boy, any minute now, Kilimanjaro go string out them sound and big session about to jump off. And let me tell you something, people in Jamaica, I say, rain or fall, storm and come and them here say, no, you have it wrong. The whole heap of water when I get in Jamaica, that's not from the rain. That's not from the storm. And the kerosene them wet up. That's why the road them flood. Because the kerosene them when them see that video them wet up. When we look on the comments on the various social media pages they post it, all I have to say is, a lot of you men out there, right, I wish you the best. I wish you the best. Because if any of them man touch the road anytime soon, the girl who you like, him gone with her. Him gone with her. And when she tell her say she needs some money, because nothing now go on, she needs some money so she can put on a big pot. When she put on the big pot, the rice and peas and the oxtail, right, and the curry goat, right, and the stew peas, you best believe she'll share with a special bowl in one big pirate dish, carrying a GP, go give it to the brother where you see, the white shirt on your screen right now. I didn't write the rules, I didn't invent the game. I just saw it go. I'm just making you aware. Right? So people, that's it for today. But before I go any further, you may remember I posted a video, or I posted about an incident that took place in Mobile with a young man who was lying on the ground, and I said that somebody just walk over him and take a video of him while he was on the ground, or take a picture of him. People, we have another clip. We have another clip of the same young man lying on the ground. But this time, guess what? The youth had a gun in his waist, and somebody just walk over, right? Casually take it up and go about in business. You have to see it to believe. You have to see it. I don't even know if police see this yet. I don't even know if the police them have seen this one yet, right? But somebody take up the gun and gone. I'm going to post the clip on politrickswatch.com. Alright. People, see if we can make out of who. Police, see if we can make it out of who too. Alright, but yes, take up the gun and go about in business. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Bless.